Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing oats weight loss smoothie recipe for dinner. This healthy oats smoothie is easy to make after a long day and no cooking involved. It does not contain any fruits like banana or any added sugar. Super easy to make at home and a perfect filling meal for dinner. An ideal healthy meal for weight loss and weight management. So let's get started with the recipe. To make oats smoothie for dinner, into a bowl I am adding in 1/3 cup of old-fashioned rolled oats. I prefer to use old-fashioned rolled oats as they are more high in fiber. I'm adding in some water and I'm allowing the oats to get soaked for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now the reason why you need to soak the oats is to help release phytic acid content. Phytates are nutrient inhibitors and prevents the body from absorbing nutrients. So soaking the oats or either roasting them will be beneficial to release the phytic acid content in oats. For those who have noticed having digestive issues like bloating, gas or indigestion when consuming oats, it would be ideal if you soak the oats for a longer period. So if you're making for dinner, you can soak the oats in the afternoon. If you're making it as a breakfast smoothie, you can even soak the oats overnight. So longer soaking time will help release the phytic acid content and also makes the oats more digestible. So I'm going to soak it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now into another bowl, I'm adding in 10 cashew nuts. I'm adding in some water and I'm allowing the cashew nuts to soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. Soaking the cashew nuts will make it softer and that will help to blend really well along with the rest of the ingredients when you're making the smoothie. Instead of cashew nuts, you can use peanuts, walnuts, soaked and peeled almonds, or any nut of your choice. The reason why I'm using nuts like cashew nuts is to get some healthy natural fats. Okay, it's about 15 minutes and the oats are soaked really well. I'm going to add the oats into a strainer and rinse it under running water. Okay, now I have rinsed the oats under running water and I have kept it on a strainer. Into my blender jar, I'm adding in the soaked and rinsed oats. Add in the soaked cashew nuts for some natural healthy fats. 1 cup or 1 glass of water. For some omega-3s, antioxidants and fiber, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon flax seeds. Instead of cashew nuts and water, you can use any plant-based milk of your choice like almond milk, cashew milk or even coconut milk. 1 tablespoon raw cacao powder. Now instead of raw cacao powder, you can use unsweetened cocoa powder. 1/3 teaspoon cinnamon powder. Cinnamon not only helps to give an amazing flavor to the smoothie but also helps to boost your metabolism. If you don't have cinnamon powder at hand, you can use a small piece of cinnamon stick instead. For sweetness, I'm adding in 2 soft medjool dates. Medjool dates are soft, hence I like to use them in my recipes. However, if your dates are not soft like mine, you may need to soak them for about 5 minutes and then use them. Instead of medjool dates, you can use jaggery powder, palm sugar, maple syrup. And now I'm going to blend until everything is nicely mixed and combined. Pour the blended oats smoothie into a serving glass. For an added crunch and a double chocolate flavor, I'm sprinkling in about a teaspoon of raw cacao nibs. This is entirely optional, but I like the subtle crunch and flavor of the raw cacao nibs. And lastly, I'm garnishing it with just a sprinkle of roasted old-fashioned rolled oats. And my super healthy oatmeal smoothie for dinner is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy oatmeal smoothie recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.